Hi, I'm Pat Stack. I'm with Seiler Geospatial, and today I'm here to talk to you about the Trimble R980 GNSS receiver. It's built on the same platform as the Trimble R12i, but with a few significant upgrades that I'll talk about in just a minute. First, the R980 still includes the ProPoint GNSS engine, which enables you to survey in challenging environments like under tree canopy and in urban canyons. It also includes the Trimble Inertial Platform, or TIP technology, that allows you to collect or stake out points without plumbing up the pole. At 10 degrees, it's 50% more accurate than it was in previous receivers, and it'll still maintain great accuracy up to 40 degrees out of plumb. This allows the user to work faster without sacrificing safety. TIP is also equipped with an integrity monitor that'll warn the user if there are any issues with temperature, solution age, or damage to the receiver. The R980 is still equipped with IonoGuard, which will mitigate the effects of solar activity on precise positioning. The R980 will continue to deliver a correction even in situations where you have spotty cellular coverage or radio interruptions using what's called xFill. This is an L-band satellite-based correction that enables you to keep surveying when your regular correction source drops out. We all know the potential issues that you can run into with your radio signal being blocked when you're using a base. The R980 is equipped with a 4G LTE modem that allows you to stream your correction across the internet instead of using a radio. This means no radio licenses, no radio interruptions, and no need to consider topography when you're considering the location for your base. If you are using a radio, you have the choice of using it in 450 MHz or 900 MHz mode. This is easily changed by the user in Trimble Access. The R980 also includes a 1-year subscription to Trimble CenterPoint RTX. This is a correction source that allows you to work anywhere without a VRS network or a base and still achieve survey-grade results. To summarize, the R980 will deliver faster, more accurate, more reliable results with fewer interruptions than ever before. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local sales rep.